Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to learn about how to repost a story on Instagram. Let's get to it. Here I have opened my Instagram, and before we repost a story, we gotta make sure that we have been tagged in the story. Alright, when we are tagged in a story, we will get notification on the direct message menu on Instagram. So we can go to the direct message menu right here. Just click on it. Alright, and this is the account that take me in the story. So we have to click on it, and we can click on add to your story right here. Alright, and we can click add to your story again to add this story to repost this story. And that's how we can repost a story on Instagram, guys. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.